Every sales book I've ever read, I read probably 1,400 sales books in 21 years. They all say like you have to be really, really good at problem solving. And that is true. You have to be able to solve your prospects' problems. But if you can't help them find problems in their mind, they don't buy from you. So you have to be better at problem finding in our day and age, okay? And that means asking the right questions at the right time, because most of your prospects, when you first start talking to them, don't even know they really have a problem. Or maybe they know they have a problem, but they don't know how bad that problem really is. Once you learn advanced questioning techniques, NEPQ, neuro-emotional persuasion questioning, not only can you help them find that they have one problem, but you can also help them find maybe 2 or 3 or 4 other problems that they didn't even know they had. And once you're able to do that, they start to view you differently. They start to view you as more of the expert or the trusted authority who's going to solve their problems and get them the results they want. So you really have to think problem finding first. That's an extremely important sales basic.